Very good evening, everyone. This is CA Pruthvi. We have just received a update from ICA, one of our sources from ICA. We had a council meeting today on 7th of January, where it has been finalized that the new syllabuses will not be applicable for November 2023, either cmainter, cmafinal or cmafoundations. Old syllabus continues to be applicable. Those students who are waiting for the announcement from ICA to be declared, then start their preparation or postponing their preparation for the last 2-3 months, we advise you guys to start your preparation as per the old syllabuses itself for November 2023 attempts. Also, any update on new syllabuses for next upcoming attempts of 2024, we guys will keep you guys updated from ICA whenever information comes out. Information is not yet official, it is a concrete information from our sources which we have received. ICA would be announcing the same within the couple of hours or couple of days of time. Thank you guys.